Hit the books. Hit the books if you want to pass the exam. I'm hitting the books now, so I can't talk. Hit the bottle. After the breakup, he started to hit the bottle. Don't hit the bottle too much. It's not good for you. Hit the lights. Please hit the lights when you leave the room. He hit the lights and went to bed. Hit the town. After work, we will hit the town for some fun. I hit the town with my friends last night. Hit the roof. Mom hit the roof when she saw the mess. I hit the roof when I saw the broken window. Hit the hay. I am so tired, I'm going to hit the hay now. It's time to hit the hay. Good night. Hit the road. Let's hit the road early to avoid traffic. We should hit the road before it gets dark. Hit the deck. She hit the deck when the gunfire started. Hit the deck. There is a shooter in the building. Hit the jackpot. I hit the jackpot at the casino last night. He hit the jackpot with his new job. Hit it off. She and her roommate hit it off from day one. We hit it off as soon as we met. Hit the sack. It's been a long day. Time to hit the sack. I'm going to hit the sack and get some rest. Hit and miss. The weather here is hit and miss. The service at that restaurant is hit and miss. Hit the nail on the head. When she said I was tired, she hit the nail on the head. You hit the nail on the head when you said it was too expensive. Hit the wall. After working all night, I hit the wall and fall asleep. After 2 hours of reading, I hit the wall and stopped.